Breaking news, selfishness all over the place. Senators challenges the ruling on Electoral Act amendments. We brought you up to speed that President Muhammadu Buhari finally signed a bill that says, there are a lot of things contained in there. One of such things is that um, if you're already a serving appointee, say you are a minister, you are this, you are that, you cannot contest for a political position unless you resign. Then you put yourself fully into the position. Okay, you can't go ahead and contest for a position. You can't eat your cake basically and still have it. Previously to this time, they do whatever they do and they get away with it and they still have it with them. So, say for instance, say the Minister of Education, we want to go for the governorship or presidential position. As soon as he sees that the primaries did not work out, he will go back to being Minister of Education. You understand? These are all not good things in an electoral, in the whole electoral process. You are supposed to resign, put your all into it, and if that be it that you were not picked by the people, then you go home and you have a seat prepared for the next year. But sadly, it's a different ball game in Nigeria. And now they are challenging the court ruling that says yesterday Buhari must not touch the electoral bill that has already been signed. Let's get all the details. Breaking news. Senate challenges ruling on Electoral Act Amendment Bill. The Senate has reacted to a court order stopping it from re-amending the Electoral Act 2022 recently signed by President Muhammadu Buhari. The Senate on Tuesday challenged the ruling by a federal high court in Abuja. Senate President Ahmed Lawal, who made the assumption on the floor at preliminary, said the judiciary cannot stop the National Assembly from performing its constitutional assigned duty. You see selfishness, pot-belly men who wants to keep eating their cake and having it, and this is why Nigeria is not moving forward. The judiciary cannot stop the National Assembly from performing its duty, Lawal has said. The court, in a ruling delivered by Justice Enyi Ekwo, specifically banned all defendants in the suit marked FHC/ABJ/SC/247/2022 from removing Section 84, subsection 12 of the Electoral Act by preventing it from being implemented for the purpose of 2023 elections. The defendants in the suit are Attorney General of the Federation and Minister and Justice Minister, Senate President, Speaker of the House of Representatives, Clerk of the National Assembly, Senate Leader, House of Representative Leader, and the Independent National Electoral Commission. Others are Deputy Senate President, Deputy Speaker of the House of Representatives, Deputy Senate Leader, Deputy Leader of the House of Representatives, President Muhammadu Buhari, he signed the Electoral Act Amendment Bill 2022 into law, asked the National Assembly to expunge the portion that says Section 84, subsection 12 of the Act that would discriminate servicing politicians, appointees from contesting while still appointed. The section specifically made it mandatory that political office holders must first resign from office before they can vie for any political position. The court order reads, no political appointee at any level should be voting delegates or voted for at the convention of Congress in the political party for the purpose of nomination of candidates of any election. The People's Democratic Party, in the substantive suit it filed through its team of lawyers led by Chief Ogo Onijo San, challenged the legality of otherwise of the National Assembly rethinking of electoral acts, expunging that very part. So your National Assembly are working to ensure that nothing touch them. As a matter of fact, all they do is protect themselves. Yeah, all they do to a large extent is protect themselves. That's what the National Assembly does, and they are at it again. People stood up and said, "No, what's the essence of this, law that you have signed if it will not be implemented?" After Buhari has signed it, it took a very long time, almost to the expiration. Then he quickly signed. But after signing it, they now found out that he has shot them on the foot. And so they quickly went back to him. And that means we have to resign. Oh, we don't want to resign. Please, take it out. We must, we can still eat our cake and have it. And so Buhari went to say, okay, they should expunge that very portion of the, part that says political appointees cannot eat their cake and have it. And this is what the whole fight is all about. When you see them, okay, to a large extent, you think that they are honest people, genuinely sincere. They know what is right, but they don't want to do it. Between you and I, they are very much aware of what they know. It's not a matter of maybe they are unsure. Okay, no, they are very much aware. They know exactly what they are doing. Okay, so it's all to favor them. It's all to favor them. They said they should, and what will happen is that APC appointees that will resign may never come back again, because Nigerians, I can assure you, okay, we are tired. The lies being propagated by these people coming on board to tell us that Nigeria was going to change. And for crying out loud, we became gullible. Oh, we became very gullible and we fell for their tricks. They are, the real Yahoo boys are in government, in Senate, in House of Rep and the rest. You know that, right? You know those are the real Yahoo boys. The ones you are seeing by the roadside, those are just apprentices. So. They're not they're not the big boys. So the big boys are in House of Rep. The big boys are in, the government houses. The big boys are here and there. The big boys are the ones who are calling the shots, who are using their pen and paper to destroy the nation in no small way. Those are the big boys. Now you are talking. Those are the big boys. So when you look at it very closely, you understand that for the nation to become changed to save, there is need for re-transformation. We can't continue like, no, we just can't. We can't continue like that. Okay, we can't continue like that. The terrible thing is that, we have a set of people who, when, they're about to speak, we say, oh, we care for Nigeria. God bless Nigeria. But in their heart of hearts, they are saying, this is my meal ticket. So it's not a place of service. Rather, it's a place of, having their own way. It's terrible, but it's the truth. Okay, it's terrible, but it's truth. God will help us. So God will help us in this country. Leave us a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Please don't forget to like us, share, subscribe. God bless. Have a lovely day. From us, it's bye for now. Bye.